Dzambala Mystical Treasures is participating in a series of promotions in One Utama shopping center in Petaling Jaya, Malaysia, to promote and create awareness for one of our star items, namely the wealth vase. In modern times, it helps to provide invitees who invite these wealth vases home to their homes, their offices, their factories, to induce wealth, inner and outer wealth, material as well as spiritual wealth.
What I think of wealth base, wealth base is wealth for you, for your family, for those who are at home, in the office. It's meant for you to generate wealth, happiness, contentment, all that. And that's what we produce. And these are the real McCoy, the real thing, because it's made by real monks in Guardian Monastery. We're not selling them. We're using it to raise funds for the monastery. It doesn't go to any place market. So the blessings is there because the money is not used for anybody's profit.
其实呢，宝瓶呢是我们其中的一个我们可以奉为做贡品的物品，因为宝瓶呢，它不只是一个瓶子，它含有了财神的能量呢。 封在这个瓶子里面，所以它可以帮助我们呢，不只是在我们的外财的需要呢，也可以帮助呢，在我们的修行过程之中呢，得到了发财。
Participating at the bazaar in One Utama mall is primarily to promote Rinpoche's teachings. Our featured product is If Not Now When. This is our latest coffee table book, just launched this past weekend. Very beautifully done with lots of photographs as well as quotes from Rinpoche's teachings, and also from impromptu SMS teachings. So this is our latest book, very beautiful, by His Eminence Petaling Rinpoche.
Yes, I do. I have a wealth base.
I not only have one, I have two wealth bases.
Wow!
Naturally, financially, yes, it could help. But most importantly, to me, in my opinion, is the spiritual advancement and spiritual wealth that I have taught.
I don't have a wealth base. I give it away. True wealth is not coming from material possession.
Yes, I do have a wealth base. I feel how blessed I am to be able to have such an object, such a holy object in my house.
Oh yes, and I recommend everyone to get one because from my own experience, after I get one, my business very smooth, everything is very smooth for my own self and for my whole family.
I have a wealth base because I saw from magazine the wealth base will bring spiritual wealth and outer wealth and will change the luck in your house and change the feng shui.
Yes, I have a wealth base at home, one at home and one in the office.
No, but I want one so I can give to my friend.
financial situation is much more stable. I'm much more involved in Dharma work and also other charitable causes. And yes, so the base definitely did work for me in terms of material and spiritual wealth.
Yes, I do. It's so beautiful.
Why do I like well base? Because well base is so big. I need well, so I need a well base. That's all.